What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here my Voyager portfolio here that you guys can see on the Voyager app, which is a crypto app where you can buy crypto and hold it and earn interest. And I'm gonna show you guys here how I earn interest and what I think about this app overall, and how you can also earn interest just by holding crypto in this app, just earning interest passively monthly. And I'm gonna show you guys here why I think this is an amazing app. As you guys can see, this is my portfolio here. I'm gonna show you all the crypto coins that I hold. I love how simplistic this is and minimalistic this is. It shows a pie graph right here. Obviously, the majority of my holdings is Bitcoin, 63.8%. And let me just tell you guys one thing. I did not buy $1 worth of Bitcoin in this app. All right, and I have over the value of Bitcoin that I have in this is $2,000, and I owe that all to you guys, because I got this because of you guys who basically use my referral code to download this app and basically use this app for yourselves. So all of my Bitcoin that I have in this app, which is the majority of the money that I have in this portfolio, is all thanks to you guys, because you guys use my referral code. And if you still haven't downloaded Voyager or is still on the fence of getting it, I definitely recommend it. By the end of this video, if I convince you to get it, definitely use my referral code, because you will get $25 as well as me once you put in $100 to trade. And I don't think there's a time limit on that. So you know, when you use my referral code, you basically get $25 free of Bitcoin that you can basically sell anytime that you want, or you could keep it like me. I'm keeping all of it because Bitcoin is most likely going to go way more up in value in the future. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it's just amazing here. It also tells you your total return. My total return is $2,351. So as you guys can see, I literally put in less than $1,000 for my own money. And I made the majority of it thanks to you guys for the referral code. And right here, my holdings are Bitcoin, Ripple, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot. I have a lot of types of cryptos here. And what I love too is if you scroll, it tells you the current price. It tells you your average cost. Okay. And it tells you your profit loss, which is awesome. So you can know your profit loss so far. So right here, my profit for the Bitcoin, $99. My profit for Cardano, $17, which is awesome. And it also tells you the allocation, the percentage basically of compared to all the other cryptos that you have in here. It tells you a one-day change, and all the way at the bottom here it tells you the interest paid. This month I recently got paid interest just by holding Bitcoin, and I got this much in Bitcoin. So they pay you that month, they pay you monthly, and they pay you in that crypto. So just by holding a Bitcoin a certain amount, I'm able to earn more Bitcoin, which can snowball and be even more and more. So I'm showing you guys here the interest rates on all the cryptos as well. So if you click right here at the bottom, it'll bring you to the home page here where it shows you all the top cryptos based on market cap. So this is how they rank it, which most apps out there rank it based on market cap. So Bitcoin obviously being the number one right here with over 1,000 billion market cap. Then second, Ethereum. So I love that. I love how it and another thing too, if it passes based on market cap, it also passes on here. So it's consistently changing. If you follow Voyager on Instagram or any social media, they tell you the crypto interest for that month, which changes a little bit here and there. But if you just go right here on the app, you don't have to follow them. It tells you the interest rate for that month, okay, for that specific coin, and how much you need to be able to get that interest. So right here, the interest for Bitcoin is 6.25, which is pretty good compared to other apps out there. And you need 0.1 of Bitcoin. I don't know how much that is right now, but that's how much you need in order to qualify to get this interest rate. So I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty fair. I'd rather have a minimum than have a cap, right? There's apps out there that basically once you get to a certain amount of that crypto coin, it decreases, your interest rate decreases. You know, the interest rate is unlimited. There's no maximum that you can't, that you can get, but there is a minimum. So you need a certain amount to get that. So I'd rather have this because, if one day I have a lot of Bitcoin, I don't want to have a cap on that interest. I think this is the only app at the moment. I've done some research, on what apps that you can earn interest for holding Dogecoin, and this is the one that I found at the moment that really has it. It's not that much, it's 2%, but it's at least something, right? And a lot of people out there are really interested in buying Dogecoin or have a lot. Well, Voyager offers 2%, and all you need is 5,000 Dogecoin. I don't know how much that is, but that's all you need. Cardano, they offer 5.25. That's pretty good, you know, compared to other apps out there. A Polkadot 8%, which is awesome. XLM, which is a pretty rare one that to offer interest rate, and they offer 1%. So there's a lot of cryptos here that they offer interest rate on. Mana, you know what I mean? So it's, you know, this is why I love Voyager. There's a lot of variety here on the cryptos that they offer interest, and they even have their own crypto here called Voyager Token. And one of the cool things too is the Voyager, their own token. If you hold a certain amount, they're coming out with this loyalty program where if you basically have a certain amount of Voyager token, you get like you get an interest boost on all your other tokens. So if I have 500 Voyager tokens, I'm basically gonna get a +1 interest rate boost on my Bitcoin. So it's going to be from 6.25 to 7.25 on my Bitcoin just for holding that their own token, which I think is really cool, and it just gives their token more value too as well. It's FDIC secured, so it's really safe to use this, and it's because it's backed up, right? So yeah, definitely check it out. Use my referral code if you guys are interested in Voyager. If I convinced you to download it and use it, use my code below. I'll leave it in the comments below, and if you use it, you get $25 free of Bitcoin. Definitely do it fast, because we don't know how long in the future that they might take that away, that promotion away. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and comment below if you guys want to see more portfolio updates in the future, or anything about Voyager app or crypto. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.